Hi, welcome back to Imperium Learning. In the previous video, I gave you a refresher on how to combine the VLOOKUP function with the match function. In this video now, I'd like to give you an introduction on the basic use of the Sumproduct formula. Now, if you take a look at this table on the left, which lists all the orders that have been received by this fictional wholesaler company, you can see that we only have one blank column left, which of course is the revenue column. And if you just look to the right, you can see that we have this box here which says total revenue. Now, in case you didn't know what the total revenue referred to, it's simply all the revenue values summed together. And in case you don't know how each individual revenue value is calculated, it's simply the price per unit multiplied by the quantity of units sold. So one way that we could calculate the total revenue is by first and foremost filling in this revenue column. And so all we would have to do is type in equals, pick the relevant price per unit cell, multiply it by the relevant quantity of units sold cell, hit Ctrl+C to copy, and then paste all the way down to the bottom of the column. And then in cell K6, we can just use a simple sum function. The thing is, though, we can actually calculate the total revenue even more quickly. We can do this by using the Sumproduct formula. So what I'd like you to do is to type in equals Sumproduct and open the brackets. And when you do that, you can see that, at least in theory, you can multiply together as many arrays of values as you want. But for now, we're just going to choose two arrays of values, and those two arrays are going to be the price per unit and the quantity of units sold. So just go to cell F5, and what you're going to do then is just highlight all the price per unit values below, and then press comma. Then go to cell G5 and do the same thing. Close brackets and then press enter. Then just hit Ctrl+1 to format and just format the value as a currency. And so, as you can see, we get the exact same answer as we did for cell K6. And so just in general, just in case you didn't know how the Sumproduct formula worked, all it's doing is it's multiplying values together that are in the same row, and then as it goes down the column and it's multiplying all the values together in the same row, it's adding them all up. So that's how the Sumproduct formula operates. So I'm pleased to say that this particular video is now concluded. In the next video, I'm going to start showing you some of the more advanced uses of the Sumproduct formula. So, see you there.